Good morning everyone, my name is Bob as I'm Monday. My top name is Jesus. I also say beard and mustache. Tools used by barber, scissor, thumbsets, hair dryer, straightener, shaving brush, etc. Barber or restaurant, barber shop. Barber is a hair. Barber or salon, spas, hotel, resort. He earned within by touching people's hair, but they also wanted brush, thumbsets, trimmer, shaving brush, shaving trim, shaving blade, scissor, hair straightener, hair dryer, spray water. Thank you.